na daw.
Iya po na boli baru di kon log na memorandum ko promo sa niya na. Officer. Ito nga nag-ibon pa dule ko ang grupo. Ana pekan. Aku paling kan kiphinna apa ni? Bikin bisa bintang kali hilang dia ni. Kita masuk pa itu, kita masuk. Bila mengajar apa? Baik gimana? Munga nang nasangkal mo yan, nung lamang din nila na ako din sa ko mo mo. Din na natin dano po ya. Bang hando atinan tadi na magdito. Atinan tadi kay lamang mo. Atinan dito, atugian dito ting. Kaya na ba? Natin dano. Oh, breaking pa din.
Yang
35 students of Ukizogi studying Diploma Pharmacy second year from 3 different colleges: Government Polytechnic, Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Sciences. I am from JSB district. I have been a student of Government Polytechnic, and we are 35 students in total from 3 different colleges: Government Polytechnic, Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Sciences, and Kanglibak Medical and Nursing Institute. We have been under Manipur University and recognized by the Pharmacy Council of India as well. We are requesting today that we should have alternate online classes by the PCI, arranged by the PCI, Pharmacy Council of India itself, as the Manipur government denied our rights to education. Where is our rights to education? Where is the District Commissioner of Chanpur when we are going to have memorandum? When we are trying to have this memorandum given by the Joint Students Body, the DC is not to be found. Where is the DC? Where is the District Commissioner of Manipur?
Kokahile Pharmacy Council of India Noya College of Thaya Umde Kaniwa Saraswati College Makipanhiya Polytechnic Government Polytechnic Kaniya College of Kanglaipak Akipan Kaniwa tu ni dana college ahi keile PCI Noya Yai College of Deng Tumin Magma class patna thi chi bai khatle hon panai lo tu ni dana separate letter ahi keile concern authority kyangale like kha khimile tu nita na don na khimulo wai je ka kiphinna le ka hiwa to ko ka kiphinna u le ka protest na pi pe chu a hi le alternative online class pati chi a hi
So le ha pati was college to ma ki panina college ma ki panina pati wa Government Polytechnic, Saraswati Institute of Medical Sciences to Kanglibang Medical and Nursing Institute ya ki pati wa ko dei hi ka ba ya ki panina mi wa ki pan class la thilo in kaum den wa wai ja tin da Chief Secretary of Manipur DC tungto ni na lai ka pha kwa amau le don na kina tak rian on pia lo za na tu ta nai chak kwai bi ya du ni ya protest ti bi joint student body de ten on sai sak ja na ma amau de tu ngali ba tu yen sa yen ka gi na
Dia artis lampian lah kan sound ini.
Ngay đó nè.
To lay down our problem, there is a DC, we want our DC. Why is it not here always? Is this the negligence of our education? Why is it like this?
We should take his responsibility.
We will take the to whatever needs to be done from the district administration. We have been doing and we will do. We will not stop.
Hold on.
Online classes for our classmates. Why can't some of you come
When
inside
can
and
we
sit with
follow our
me?
memorandum?
Some of you come and sit with me, we will discuss in detail. Why to stand here on the you will go and sit in detail. Come, some of you come and will sit in detail.
If they come to all of them, you need to follow it.
No, not all, just representative. Each from each batch.
What is there to discuss?
No, they will discuss in detail. No? On road, it's not so clear. They have to do it very, very minimal. So it's in detail. We can discuss in the road. Some of you come. Representatives.
Waiting for them. Just some of them. That is done, of course. As a national legend, yeah. Dia artis lampian lah kan sound ini.